Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you the procedure of block diagram reduction technique. I will explain you this procedure with an example. Friends, first I will tell you the steps required in block diagram reduction technique. Then I will explain you those steps with an example. The first step is reduce the blocks which are connected in series. The second step is reduce the blocks which are connected in parallel. The third step is reduce the minor feedback loop. And remember friends, every time try to shift the summing point to the left and takeoff point to the right. Fifth step is repeat 1 to 4 rules till simple form is obtained. And sixth step is find transfer function of the overall system. Let's see the example now. First, here we will shift this summing point behind this block. So here in the first step, that is here, we have shifted the summing point behind the block, that is G2 here, and added 1 upon G2 block in the loop. Because we have shifted the summing point behind this block, so we added 1 upon G2 here. The next step is we will use the associative law. In the second step we will use the associative law and shift this summing point here and this summing point here. So here in this case we have shifted both the summing points. The third step is we will use blocks in series rule. So here we will, in the third step we will use blocks in series rule. So we have used blocks in series rule in this step here. The fourth step is we use the minor loops, reducing minor feedback loop rule. Here for this loop we have used minor feedback loop rule. It says that G2, that is G2 G3 upon 1 plus G2 G3 into H2. This is a minor feedback loop rule. Then in the next step we will use blocks in series rule for these two blocks. So or we can use the blocks in series law for these two blocks. First we will use for these two blocks. So in the fifth step we have used blocks in series law for these two blocks. So the final output will be like this: G2 G3 G4 upon 1 plus G2 G3 H2. Then for sixth step we will use the blocks in series law for these two blocks. So after using this law we got here H3 upon H2 like this. After that we will use minor feedback loop law here for this loop. So in the seventh step the final equation will be like this. We used this in the numerator as per the law, and 1 plus this we have used this in the numerator here as per the rule, and then 1 plus this into this. this block. So after that we will use blocks in series law for these two blocks. So after using this we got this block again. After that we will use minor feedback loop for this loop, then we will get this entire block. After that we will get the transfer function here by going, this will go to here and this will multiply with this and this will be cancel out. So then after that we will get the transfer function C of Cs upon Rs is equal to G1 G2 G3 G4 upon 1 plus G2 G3 H2 plus G3 G4 H3 plus G1 G2 G3 G4 H1. Friends, if you want to know the rules which we have used for this procedure, then please watch my video rules of block diagram reduction technique. I have explained all the laws or rules in that video. The link of this video I have given in the description. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.